Hello, welcome back to the continuation of integers. Now, in our previous lesson, we did addition of integers. Today, we are going to look at subtraction of integers. So take note. Now, and I told you that for you to understand maths well, you must understand your integers. Okay, so our first one will be addition minus addition will give us either positive or negative. So take note. Whenever you subtract addition number from addition number, the answer will be either positive or negative. Let's try an example. Example A, if I have positive 6 minus 8. Now, this 8 here is positive. Like this one is positive. But because of this negative, now take note, whenever negative and positive meet, the negatives have more power than the positive. That's why you have negative here, which is affecting the 8. So in our previous lesson, we learned that subtraction means negative, addition means you are going to pay. So if you are owing me 8 and you've paid 6, how much are you owing? You are owing me 2, negative 2. So my answer will be negative 2. Example B. Now, positive 6 minus 4. Now, take note, this is 4. It's positive 4. It's positive 4. But because of this negative, the negative will affect the 4. So take note. So you are owing me 4, you've paid 6. How much are you owing? You are owing me 4. You've paid 6. What will be your profit? The profit here is the addition. So take note. So it will be positive 2. So that's the reason why we said that when you subtract positive number from a positive number, the answer will be either positive or negative. So either positive or negative. So take note. Okay. Let's take number 2. Number 2 says when negative minus positive. Negative minus positive will give us negative. Always the result will be negative. Always it will be negative. Let's prove it. Okay? Let's take an example. So if I have negative 8 minus my positive number will be 4. Okay, it's 4. Remember, I told you that when negative and positive meet, negative is having more power than the positive. That's why I have negative here. And take note, this negative here is also affecting the 4. So negative 8 plus negative 4, or negative 8 minus 4 will give us negative 12. Negative 12. So take note. You are owing me 4, you've owned another 8. How much are you owing? You are owing negative 12. Okay. I have example A, example B. If I have negative 10 minus 6, this is positive, but because of this negative, the negative will affect the 6. So you are owing me 6, you are owing another 10. How much are you owing? You are owing negative 16. So take note. So this is how you are going to what? Add integers. This is how you are going to subtract integers. Sorry. Okay? Let's go to the third one. Third one says negative positive minus negative will give us positive. Whenever you subtract a negative number from a positive number, the result will always be positive. Let's prove it. The reason why they say it's positive. Now, let's take an example. If I have 6 minus another negative 3, so because I have two signs, okay, I have to put this negative 3 in bracket. So take note. Now, 6. Now we say that now because of this bracket, I have to multiply this negative by this negative to get positive 3, which will give me 9. That's why we are saying that whenever you subtract negative number from positive number, the result will always be positive. So take note. Another example. If I have 8 minus negative 5, okay? Because I have two opposite signs here, 1, 2, I have to put this one in bracket. So because of the bracket, I have to multiply this and this, okay? Okay, whether they are in bracket or not. So far as two negative signs are meeting, the result will be positive. So it will be 8 plus 5, which will give us 13. So that's why it is positive. Positive, positive. So take note. Good. Number 4. Let's go to number 4. Number 4 says that when negative minus negative, negative minus negative will give us either positive or negative. Whenever you subtract negative number from negative number, the answer will be either positive or negative. So take note. Let's prove it. Good. Now, if I have negative 5 minus negative 6, now I have to put this one in brackets. Now, I'm going to have negative 5. When two negative signs meet, the result will be positive. So plus 6. Now, you are owing me 5, you've paid 6. What will be your profit? The profit is addition. So the answer will be what? 1. Good. Good. Now, let's try the example B. If I have negative 8 minus negative 13. Now, I'm going to have negative 8, negative to negative will give us positive, plus 13. Now, negative 8 plus 13, you are owing me 8, you've paid 13. How much are you owing? You are owing me 8, you've paid 13. What will be your profit? My profit will be what? Will be 5. So I'm going to have positive 5 as my answer. So that's why we are saying that whenever you subtract negative from negative, the result will be either positive or negative. Okay, let's try the last one. See, if I have negative 9 minus negative 5. Now, I'm going to have negative 9 plus 5, which will give me negative 4. Okay? Because you are owing me 9, you've paid 5. How much are you owing? You are owing negative 4. So this is how you are going to subtract integers. Good. Now let me give you some examples for you to try it for me. Okay? Examples. Try your hands for me. If I have 8 minus 9. Number 2, I have negative 9 minus 8. Number 3, I have 10 minus 6. Number 4, I have negative 12 minus -8. Okay, good. So try and answer for me. Good. If you have any question, please just give your comments. I will reply you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new lessons. I wish you all the best. Keep on trying. Enjoy mathematics.